Your delivery can also be your install. When you order our custom doors and gates pre-hung, they will install in hours, not days. We arranged a timed shipment so the customer's contractor could meet their delivery truck, and the installation was simple and easy as shown. Every piece of hand-forged decorative hardware, working hardware, seals, hinges, locks, glass, etc., comes precision installed from our American factory. Our pre-hung custom doors arrive in a structural jamb designed to hold the house up, not the house holding the door up. Our doors come with a mini-process finish requiring little maintenance and no refinishing, allowing for a beautiful patina that will age with grace and last forever.